So we will create this sign-in screen or login screen in our Android Studio. Okay, so let's go to Android Studio. So open your Android Studio, then go to File, create new file, new project, then select an activity. So select the empty, okay, empty activity. Then go next. Then type the name of your activity. For example, this is a login activity, login screen. Example. Okay. Then select a language, Java. Save your location, nasa mo siya butang. Then the minimum SD key. Okay. So para siya. Then finish, go finish. Okay. So here, when we create an empty activity, it had two files here. The XML file, which is our XML layout file, and then our main activity .java, which is our Java uh, resource file, or our source code here. Okay, so you can find it here. Our main activity is here in Java, com, and then here, com example, login screen, and the main activity. Okay, our XML layout file will be found here in the resource file. Click the res, and then layout, and then activity main XML. Okay, so we will have we will have a design katong kaning kuan ganiya pang kita ganiya kani. We'll design this in Android Studio. Okay, so here you can split, you can view your XML code and your design, or also you can have design lang. So here in our palette, you have here your views. Okay, this is your views: text view button, image view, recycler for text. Here your plain text, password, email, and others. Widgets, layouts. Here you can have here the view groups or our layout or maybe our containers. Okay, so we will use a relative layout. Okay, for our login screen. But you can also use constraint layout, linear layout. But for today, we'll use the relative layout. Okay, so you can drag and drop here. Okay, you can drag and drop here. For example, sa mga forma sa itong kwan. First is we'll have our image, our sign-in text, then duha ka text field for username and password, and then a button, and then a text view for forgot password. Okay, so first click this layout na to. Then here at the left, or I mean the right, you have here different attributes for this relative layout. Okay, then you can change here kung sa gusto nimo. For example, for background, you can choose here sa nga color gusto nimo. Since blue man to siya, we'll choose blue. Okay, there are lots of attributes for our relative layout that you can use. Okay, so you can drag and drop here. So una is image. Okay, so select image view and then you can drag it here. Then select kung unsa or asa siya nga image. So wala pa matang butang ani. Sample kani avatar. So let's use that avatar. Okay, but we will change this na image. Okay, so go to drawable nga folder, package ani res, then drawable. So find an image that you can replace to this image. So go to your computer, then here find a image, then I have here an image, Twitter as my logo, for instance, or for an example, an example. Okay, copy, and then go to your uh, Android, go to drawable, then paste here. Okay, paste, and then click OK. Then name of your file you can change then or not. So okay, so I have here the image Twitter 64.png. So I will replace this image to this new image. Okay, here. So here in our XML file, so I have here the image view. Okay, so here you can also change your layout, your background of your screen. Pwede ka makaselect diha, then you can change whatever color that you want. Now here, on the image view, I have here the attributes and the values. Okay, so here the ID, the layout width, which is wrap content, and the height is wrap content. Kung sa size ng image, it will wrap, okay, to the content. Okay, I have here also the source compatibility. So we'll change this to kung asa siya or ihang resource file. So here, so we will change the image. So type background, and then background. Then select Android colon background. Then at drawable here. Since ang atong image is naman sa drawable, so atong tawag si package nga drawable. At drawable slash, and then the name of our image, which is si Twitter, kani Twitter 64. Okay, here with here our image. So ato siyang ibutang diri sa tunga center. Okay, pwede ato siyang ibutang tunga. Okay, so sama siya. So we'll put layout gravity. Layout gravity, or layout center horizontal. Okay, pwede pa siya center horizontal. True. Okay, it will go to the center. Next. So we'll put margin on the top. Okay, margin on the top, margin top. Okay, margin top is supposed to sample 128 dp. Okay, dp. Okay, okay. So dp. Yan na. So natay image sa tuang interface. Next, we'll put the sign in text here below in our logo or in our image. Okay, so text view. Okay, now widget text view, then wrap content ang width ug height also wrap content, and then slash or closing tag. Next here, we will put some ID for our text view, Android ID, because at ID, since new pa man sign in text. Okay, sign in text. So we have an ID for our text view. Next, we'll put some text. So, some text atong kuan. Sign in. Okay. Text, then sign in. Okay. So here, we have here now our sign in text. So we will put our sign in text below to our image. Okay. Below ani. So call the attribute below the image view. So call the attribute layout below. Okay, layout below. Then we'll call the ID of our image view. Kaya naman siya sa ubos sa atong image view. So tawag na to si ID. At ID, then image view. Call the image view. Okay. So nana siya sa ubos. So we'll put the sign in at the center. Okay. Layout, center, horizontal, true. Okay. So nana siya diha. Next, we will align the text text alignment sa tong sign in. So ato siyang align center. Ay text alignment center. Okay? So center na siya. So we'll put some margin kay kundi kay siya dool. Okay? So margin top, margin top, and then example 24 dp. Okay? Okay? Ito na siya. dp, and then itong coloran og white. Color, text color white. Okay. And then we'll make it bold. Bold. Type style, text style, text type, then bold. Alright. The italic, normal. So we'll make it bold. Okay. So gamay man siya, sa to siyang padakon gamay. Text size to 24 since magamit ta og SP, dili na DP. Since text man siya, we're defining a text size. So we'll use the SP. Okay? Dili DP, SP. Okay? Text size SP. Okay? So sakto na ni. Okay na siya forma. Okay? SP. Okay. So next is next. After sign is katong mga text field na to. Text field. Text field. So for username, so we're gonna have edit text. So kaning Android. Pwede po kaning edit text or we'll use the Android X kani na widget at compact edit text. Okay? Mo man na siya kanang latest text, then wrap content and wrap content. Okay? Okay, so we will so gamay raman siya to siyang i-match parent or matches sa parent ang iyahang with. So match parent. Put some closing tag here. Okay. Next is, so we will put our text field below our sign in. So layout below Android sign in text. So we'll call the ID of our text view. Okay. Then we'll put some margin to the top, margin top. So 16 dp, okay. Also we'll put sa margin kay magduol naman kayo sa skilled. Eh dapat mapareha man siya ani. So forma ani. Okay. So tabita margin start. Okay, margin start. Then 60 again, 16 dp. Okay. Siya. So sa pikas po sa end, here at the right, margin end. Since start na itong giikuan. Pwede po right or left ang imong gamiton. But ang kasagaran, paggamit is kaning start o end. Okay? 16 dp. Okay. So, natay field. Sunod. So, next is put some background. Okay. Itong murag white ini. Pareha ni. Baka ni. Put itong background. Sample to siya username, then color. So, put some background color. Background color white. Wait, white na siya. So, we'll change this custom. Put some opacity. Okay. Marshall koan. Okay. Yung opacity. 32. Okay, yan na. Yan siya. Or 32. 32F. Kana. So, more gamay man siya. So, butang ato siya text size. Okay. So, here, text size. Text size to 16. 16 is P. SP. Okay. Then put some text. Text. Example. Not text. Put some hint. Okay. For example, ni-click niya, mawala siya. Hint equals, okay. Hint. Okay. User name. Okay. Here. So, lahat mo siya tanawon. No? So, apply na to siya og padding. So, ang padding is kanang sulod siya nga margin. Okay? There is a sulod. Kung sa gawas, so that is margin. Kung sulod, that is padding. Okay? So, we'll put some padding. 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 Padding to 12 dp. Example. Okay ba siya? Okay. So, okay na siya. Username. Then, hint color. change the hint color kay murag maot siya tanawon. Hint color, text color hint to white. Okay, ay white ba? So ato siyang adjustan gamay atong color hint. Ato siyang pasigtig gamay na. Okay. Username. So we'll put some padding here at the start. Padding start. 12 or 24. Okay. Also at the end. Okay. Padding and 24 dp. Okay. Changing color hint. Color hint. Just gamay. Adjust. Na. Yan siya. Okay. We have here now our text field for our username. So next is for our password. Okay. So just copy and paste. Copy, paste. Here, itong button is kaning password na to is below na pud siya sa username na text field. So na ba ni ID? So butang sa tong ID ni si text tong text field username. So ID, for example, this is for username field. Okay, field. Okay. Also for this ID, password field. Okay. So we'll put our text field, our password field below to our username field, username text field. So here at layout below, find the ID below our user copy. Okay. Okay. Okay siya. So we'll change the text, the hint to password. So hint na siya. For example, ni-click na to aning text field, mawara na siyang username. Okay. So here, our password. So since password man siya, dapat dili siya makita, no? Ang iyang input type is dapat password din siya. Nang ligin gani ibantay man ligin-ligin or asterisk. Nag-type na to sa password. Kaya nga siya forma. So, ang ato i-change is ang ato siya og input type, and then text password. Okay? Kaning text password. Okay? Next, sunod. We have now our field. Next is our button. Okay? Button. So below our password field, so we'll put our button. Button. Sorry. Button. Kaning app compat button. We'll use this app compat button, or you can use katong button na pod. Depends on yours. Then width is should be match parent. Try to match parent. And then wrap content ang atong height. Sorry. Wrap content. Okay. Closing tag. Gamitin ng closing tag yun. So we'll put our login button, I mean our button, sign in button to below in our password field. So below ID or password field, copy this password field, paste. Okay, here now. So we will put some margin, top margin to 16 dp, sample, para pareha silang size. Next, put some margin here sa itong right or left. So put some margin start 16 dp, again 16 dp from the same size atong text field. Margin and 16 dp. Okay. Now our login button, yeah, put some text. Login. Okay. So we'll change the color or for our login button. So background, Android, background, color white. Okay. So we have here color white button. Okay. So okay na. Natay login button. Next is katong forgot password. Atong text view. Ari sa ubos sa login button. Okay. So text view, wrap content, then closing tag. We'll put some ID. Ito ang button ID, login button. Okay. Our text view, put some text. Forgot password. Forgot password. Okay. Forgot password, and below, again, below sa tuang login button. ID, login button. Okay. Then center, horizontal, true. Then put some margin at the top. Margin top, 16 dp again. Okay. Okay, forgot password. Then put some color, change the color. Background color white. I mean, no, text color white. Okay. Okay, so we're done with our login screen or login user interface. So let's try to run this. So there are many ways to run our application. So here at the top, so you can run this, but there's no target device fund. So here you can use using Wi-Fi. Nisha, just scan this code, QR code, and dapat same mo og gikunikan nga Wi-Fi. Okay? Dapat same mo gikunikan. Dapat pareha mo og Wi-Fi access so that mag-pair siya. Okay? Or you can pair using pairing code. Okay? So we'll tackle that later. Or you can use device manager. You can create a virtual device, but it's optional kay kung hinay mong computer, bukatin siya kung mag-create ka virtual device. So ang mas prepared is kani physical device na imong cellphone gamiton. So you can pair using katong Wi-Fi gani ha. But before ka makakuha na ni maka-run sa imong cellphone, dapat naka-on imong USB debugging or kani kung magamit ka aning pairing code. Okay? So go to your phone. Okay? So go to your settings on your phone and then search USB debugging. If you cannot find the USB debugging, you need to the developer option. Hindi makita ninyo, then go to your about phone. Depends kung asa kita na siya makita. Your version or here. You tap that 7 times or 6 times. Sumugula ito siyang developer option. Okay? Tap that 6 times or 7 times. Gumamingon na siya o you are already a developer. So back to settings, then search USB debugging. USB debugging, then select. Then developer option should be tap or check or on. But ma-on na siya. Here, here the USB debugging, I mean, should be on. Here, kani wireless debugging. Okay, should on this wireless debugging, then okay. 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 Here, you pair device with QR code or pair device with pairing code. Ada makita diri. Okay. Here, you can pair. Select this, then here pair with kani. So pairing. It's pairing now. It will take a few minutes. Pair. Okay. Let's just wait for that. So there's an error occurred. So pair device. Okay. Or you can run this code. Since na-pair na siya daan. Okay, let's run. Run code here, top, run it. So here at the bottom, it's Gradle build running. Then we'll just wait. Okay, so it's running. Okay, so it's installing here, then install. Okay. Okay, here is our login screen. Okay. So bantay muna siya ay country sa mabaw. So pwede na siya matanggal na siya. Ato siyang tanggalan ng screen. Dapat full screen siya. Okay. So go to here, go to the values here, values, And then Teams. Teams, kaning night is for if your phone is on night mode. Okay? Since night mode man ni ako so may change sa ning duha. Ay sa night mode. Go here at the dark action bar. So kato nakita to ganiha is an action bar kaning mabaw. Na siya action bar. So we will dito butang og action bar. So change that to that no action bar, okay? No action bar. No action bar, okay? Here also in Teams, so no action bar, okay? Then let's try again to run it. Again here at the values, then Teams, then change these Teams walay action bar, okay? Kani, change ni, no action bar. Then run. Okay, let's try to terminate. Okay, here. All right. So change na to wala na siya. So let's try to input use some text here, admin, then password. Okay. Admin, forgot password. Wait, there is something wrong with our text here, our login button. So we'll change that to our text to black. Go to our activity text here, our button. So our text should be text color to black. Okay. So let's try to run it again. Terminate. Okay, here. Okay. Okay na siya. Admin, password for admin. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. So you can also change this color, your status bar. Okay. Parang mapareha siya, same type color na siya ay similarity sa color. So pwede na ito niya i-change. So asa man siya i-change? So go to your here are the colors. At your teams, kani, you can change the primary color, the color variant, and the color on primaries. So since kani is kung siya night mode man siya, so black din siya ang primary color niya. Okay, so let's try to change our to not dark phone to not dark mode. Okay. So you can change here. For example, here, the primary variant, itong ganiha, status bar, you can change that to example sa may gusto ganda gusto. But pare-pareha siya color. Ana, maybe. So let's try to run it again. Okay, terminate. Okay, here. Ba na sabay ang color? So depende rin niyo kung unsa inyong i-color niya. Ano yung status bar. Okay? So that's it for our demonstration how to create a screen. Okay? So your activity, you're going to create a login screen And yes, okay, okay. Login screen muna. Login screen sa ato inyong gamot. So katong inyong i-design nyo sa katong tawag katong kani sa inyong design ani inyong sa Figma ninyo. So katong inyong i-design mo to inyong gamon. Okay? Sa Android Studio nyo design. Okay? So that's it for now. I will post our activity to in our Google Classroom. Okay? So that's all for now. Thank you and God bless. So for questions and clarification, just comment in our Google Classroom or chat or PM me in our messenger or in our group chat. Okay? That's all. Thank you and God bless.